The RMS value of periodic waveform given in figure is what? This is the waveform given, and what is the RMS value it is asked here. So it is current waveform basically, as here 6 amperes minus 6 amperes. So it is current waveform, and we have to find out RMS value of this waveform. First of all, we will find out the expression for this area. Here it is origin, so 0 0, and here the coordinates are minus 6, coordinates are t by 2 and minus 6. X coordinate is t by 2 and y coordinate is minus 6. Finding slope of this 0 0 t by 2 minus 6. This is I of t. Our y axis is I of t and x axis is t simply. Now I will write general slope equation is y minus y1 divided by y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2. Here x is nothing but t and y is nothing but I of t. So that I can write I of t minus 0 divided by 0 minus minus 6 equal to t minus 0 divided by 0 minus t by 2. So I of t divided by 6 is equal to t divided by minus t by 2. So I of t is equal to 6t into 2 divided by minus t. It will be minus 12t by t. So we can write expression for I of t as minus 12t by t for interval from 0 less than t by 2, and it will be plus 6 ampere for interval from t by 2 less than t. So this waveform is again repeating after t, so that we can write this. Now to find RMS value, I RMS of t is equal to under root of integral under root of 1 upon t, that is total time period, integral of 0 to t I square of t dt. 1 upon t integral 0 to t by 2 minus 12t by t bracket square dt plus 6 square dt. Now again solving this. I am solving from this step. This 144 by t square will come outside, and integration of t square is nothing but t cube by 3. So t cube by 3 0 to t by 2 plus this 36 will come outside, it is constant, and integral of dt is t simply, so t over t by 2 to t. Now this 1 upon t 144 upon 3 t square t cube by 8 plus 36 t by 2, it will become 1 by t. This t and this t will get cancelled out, and we will left with 18 by 3 plus 18. So it is nothing but 18 plus 54 divided by 3. It is root 24. Root 24 is not a perfect square, so that I will divide root 24 such that I will get the multiple, at least one multiple as a perfect square. 24 into 1, no. 6 into 12, 4 into 6, yes. If I take 4 into 6, then square root of 4 is 2 and root 6 as it is. So the value of RMS current I RMS of t is 2 root 6 amperes. This is very long question, but I will again explain. First find slope for this area and get expression of I of t for 0 to t by 2 using general slope method. Y minus y1 divided by y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2. Then for interval t by 2 to t, 6 ampere is given already. And now apply formula I RMS of t is equal to under root of 1 by t integral 0 to t I square t dt, where this t is nothing but time period given. As this time interval is divided again into two sub intervals, 0 to t by 2 and t by 2 to t, so I have taken this as 0 to t by 2, this expression square dt, plus t by 2 to t, this expression square dt. Now again solving this square root, finally we will get I RMS is equal to 2 root 6 ampere.